The Pi coin will be made available as soon as it is introduced. The price for purchasing and selling, in addition to other factors. It is almost guaranteed that it will rise. The crucial number they require is 100 million users, which might be accomplished by the end of the year. When the calendar year comes to a close. If there were more people utilizing the network, they would send out further invitations, and the network would continue to develop and expand. The effect will be 10 times more powerful as a result of the multiplier. The project's first phase will commence after we attain the milestone of 100 million users in Phase 3. When Phase 3 is completed, the primary portion of the system will be available for all users to access their Pi money. The developers anticipate that Phase 3 will begin in the fourth quarter of this year and that it will conclude in the fourth quarter as well. The third quarter of 2021 is expected to arrive. On the internet, there is some information stating that the creators will list the Pi money on exchanges and even before producing the currency if the community reached 100 million members. They have the option to do it whenever they choose. According to their website, it will be by the end of the year. This means that if you download the program today and use it to mine the coins on your smartphone, they will be able to use the coins at the end of the calendar year. The fact that this endeavor is completely risk-free is the most tempting feature about it. You are not compelled to invest your money, and you are not required to make a donation. All that is left for you to do is download the app and distribute it to as many people as you desire. There is the maximum number of people possible with the greatest number of people, which includes all holders. Because it is absolutely risk-free, you will stand to gain even more from the experience. The Pi network distinguishes itself from the competition. This coin has the potential to be used as a replacement for the King's Coin Bitcoin. A marketplace that makes use of the Pi network. Look for one or type it into the search bar. The Pi network is the web address for the marketplace's website. The blockchain will be searched for by the browser. Once the address has been located, a prompt will appear. You have the option of connecting your wallet or logging in. Using your Pi network identification. Without having to log out of your browser or leave the page, you will be able to make payments to whomever you choose on that website. The same is true for any programs you may download in the future to use with your Pi in general. The value of a token in a wallet is decided by the Pi network token, which is stored in the wallet. As a means of payment in conjunction with the transactional activity. Cryptocurrencies are becoming increasingly popular as a mode of payment. To replace paper money with a transaction system that is more secure, faster, and decentralized. That, my friends, is the future, and that is the road that the Pi network will follow. Is moving in the direction of offering a decentralized alternative to and replacement for traditional money. All of this, however, can and will only be accomplished with the assistance of the Pi network community, which numbers in the millions, and if you are new to the Pi network and to the community of veteran pioneers, I encourage you to get started. They accomplish this by working together to construct Pi. In the event that you've made it this far, seen the video, and wish to mine the Pi network coin, you are welcome to do so.